Lila's delicious story. Lila loved two things more than anything else in the world: stories and sweet treats. One sunny afternoon, she decided she wanted both at the same time. She opened her fridge and found a cup of vanilla Greek yogurt smiling back at her. On the counter sat a bowl of shiny pomegranate seeds, like tiny ruby jewels. And in her cupboard, a bar of milk chocolate, waiting for adventure. Lila grinned. "This is the beginning of a delicious story," she said. She broke the chocolate into little squares and popped them into a bowl. Into the microwave they went. 30 seconds, stir. 30 seconds, stir. Soon the chocolate was smooth and warm like melted treasure. She scooped a layer of yogurt into a glass. Then she sprinkled pomegranate seeds over it. Plink, plink, plink. A drizzle of melted chocolate followed, swirling like magical ribbons. This story needs another chapter, Lila decided. So she added more yogurt, more sparkling seeds, and more chocolate. For the grand finale, she crowned it with extra pomegranate gems, a handful of crunchy walnuts, and a tiny pinch of sea salt, just enough to make the chocolate sing. Lila placed her dessert in the fridge to chill. When she finally took a bite, it tasted like winter sunsets, crunchy adventures, and tiny ruby secrets. And that's how Lila discovered that sometimes the best stories are the ones you can eat.